Hey folks, Ray here, Riverbend Longbows Outdoors. I got a DIY for you, and this is a great EDC thing you can carry in your vehicles, everyday carry, for emergencies or whatnot, especially if you're in a rural area, you can't get to a tire shop. I'm going to show you how to fix your tire yourself for a few bucks. It's easy to do as long as you have access to air, and you can do this with the wheel still on the car. So stay tuned, I got to run a few errands, and then I'll show you how to do that. So first off, if you know you have a tire that's going low and it has a hole in it or a leak or something, you're going to need a few things. Some soapy water. You can spray it on your tire until you find the bubbles that come out, and then you know where it's at. Take a piece of chalk on the sidewall, mark where it's at. Make sure your car's in parked or the emergency brake's on before you take the tire off and, jack it up. So do those few things, and then you'll need a plug tire repair kit. These things are dirt cheap. The initial kit comes with the tools themselves. This is a refill that I just had to go get for like $3. I think the initial kit was like $5. So I know some garages charge up to $40 now in the cities to just do a tire repair and a patch job. I actually prefer the plugs over the patches. I've been using them for as long as I've been driving, and I've had no issues whatsoever. So I'm going to show you how to do it, so stay tuned. Okay, now we got our tire off, and I'm just going to do a visual check and see what I can see first. And my guess is it's that screw right there, so we'll check it and then check the whole tire too to make sure we don't have two holes. You just need to mix about a half a teaspoon of dish soap and some water in a spray bottle. Spray it on. I don't see any visual air coming out of that yet, but we'll make sure. Nothing yet. My money's on a screw. And you will see bubbles if there is a hole. Might be little, but you'll see it. Alright, we'll go ahead and try to get that screw. Yep, she's bleeding there now. A little air leak. Now this kit is designed only for the tread area only, not the sidewall. If you get a sidewall puncture, you need to get the tire replaced. But there's a good hole, so first we take our first tool. It has a rasp edge with it's kind of awl, like an awl. You poke that right in the hole and work your way in. Go up and down and make that hole a little bit bigger, wider, and a cleaner edge. Get it good. There we go. Good clean hole now. The repair kit comes with the adhesive. You'll take the lid off. Has the puncture for the top. Go ahead and get that started. So it's open. Put your cap back on for now. Okay, so now what you're going to do is take your adhesive and you're going to coat the needle that holds the plug. And you're going to put a little, there's a hair on there everywhere. Coat that a little bit, and you're going to put that down in the hole and kind of just rub it around good. Alright, now we're going to take one of our plugs. It's encased in the plastic here, and they are gooey. Alright, so we're now going to thread that into the needle like so. You're going to get a little gooey unless you wear gloves. Alright, so there it is. Now we're going to take some adhesive and coat that plug real good. Oh boy, making a mess. Alright, now it's ready. Go into the hole. You're going to worm it in about 2/3 of the way. Just keep pushing. Trying not to push all the way in. There we go, come on. So as soon as you're about 2/3 of the way in, you're going to pull straight up real quick. Now the plug is plugged. We're going to let that dry a little bit, shave it off. You're good to go. Alright, you can see the plug there. And we'll trim it off and see how it holds there. Ta-da! Alright, let's give her the juice. See if she's going to hold some air. Good to go. Alright, so she's holding there. And just a little something for you to learn. It's a good EDC to carry in your car. Nothing worse than trying to fix or find somebody to fix your tire in the middle of the night if you're on vacation or something. Carry it in your car. You can do this in a gas station parking lot as long as you can find air. Easy. So there you go. Hope it helps. And thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later. It's good to be self-reliant. Learn some skills.